Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay. I'm back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This job lead is not requiring any kind of college degree. They only require customer service type experience to qualify, and they accept retail experience. They actually say that. We are going to dive in, but before we do, I just want to say thank you for everyone who's been commenting, leaving what you are looking for, and the success stories. Keep them coming in as well. We've had several people comment over the last few months say that they've gotten hired from jobs I posted, which just warms my heart. Congratulations to all of those who have found their work from home job. I am hoping that 2024 is the year that everyone finds their dream work from home job. But with that being said, if you're looking for anything specific, always feel free to leave that in the comments. And if you enjoy job leads that I share, give these videos a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family. I post daily videos on this channel. I also have a website that's linked down in the comments, in the YouTube description box below. And I put all of my job leads on there daily as well. So make sure you're checking daily and putting those applications in. Today's job lead, though, is from the company FinFit. Now, FinFit only has 22 reviews from past and current employees. They seem to be a startup company and a rather newer company, so always do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. They have an overall rating of 3.3 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a full-time remote customer service representative. This is going to be for the United States only. Now, FinFit is in the financial wellness platform or financial wellness industry. They have a financial wellness platform, and so you're going to be doing customer service for their clients and members on their platform. So you're going to provide this customer service through channels like email, telephone, and chat. You're going to investigate any customer issues, collaborate with your coworkers and peers, escalating any complaints up as needed, just doing all the cross functionality and collaboration within your internal teams to come to a solution for that customer. You will have to make outbound phone calls and do email projects as well. So you'll have to become basically an expert on FinFit's products and services and processes so you can just help the customers. They don't require any kind of college degree. They just looking for somebody who has customer service experience in either financial services, technology, retail, order management, or employee benefits. So yes, they will accept retail customer service experience. They want somebody who's familiar working with CRM systems. You do have to be flexible with this one. They're looking for somebody to kind of work a mid-shift, 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you're outside of that time zone, convert your hours. And of course, you've got to know how to use basic computer systems like Google Office Suite, Microsoft Office, those types of things. Unfortunately, FinFit did not list the actual pay in the job description. That'll have to be discussed at the time of the interview. But when you come to their Glassdoor page, if you click on salaries, there's 17 different salaries listed. And if you kind of scroll down, a customer service representative is noted to make anywhere from $39,000 a year all the way up to $53,000 a year. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Feel free to leave in the comments again anything you're looking for. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.